What? The Toyota? What are you doing, you piece of... Extra regret? Really?
The millennial generation worried that there won't be a social security system out there. Coast comes in number 12. We got a lot of goals this year. Oh my God, play great. Number 11 or number 12. Great. Good shot.
Toyota.
I think he's.
You know, these days people tell me, you know, oh, I'm working on a streaming show that's like 6 to 10 episodes, and so I have this job for a couple of months, but after that I have no idea where my next job is coming from.
Back up a shame. Luck sucks.
These aren't necessarily stable professions anymore.
Yeah, you're like not figuring out what to do.
Impact, you know, the way people feel about it.
Red light run. Because Prius and whatever that Ford thing was, and a asshole left. No one in Rochester can drive. And I just made a video called that. Yeah, you can't turn left into there. No turn on red. Left sucks.
They got Susie. Veronic, your buddy. Great pair with Quinn Hughes. I'm all in on Quinn Hughes. I just think up front, they're just...
Really? You're just going to sit in the middle Miller, of the...
Your buddy Brighton.
Wait, are both of you going to be merging in front of me? Of course.
After halftime, they're going to go down, score a touchdown, make it 24-14, and then get a 3 and out.
What are you looking
and
at?
This game's going to be over. Because once they started moving the ball, all of a sudden, Washington couldn't score a touchdown.
What? The Toyota? What are you doing, you piece of shit?
The slugger, the opposing figure.
Really?
Figure. The two best, clearly.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
To realistic, have them, you know, to really think they're going to actually win the series, they're going to have to win 3 games in Yankee Stadium. I mean, if they go
No, stop.
down 3 games, they have a chance.
Toyo's hard.
It's not a good one.
Really?
And turn a 4-0 lead over to the bullpen. And turn a 4-0 lead over to the bullpen.
It was red. Toyo's hard. What the fuck are you doing?
That's right. And nothing less.
You know, and just from, honestly, dude, just showing up day after day after day after day, month, year after year. I just, like, never quit. Like, every
Exit dive. Toyo's hard.
They were going.
No, stop. Toyo's hard.
It was actually the fire.
Really? You're making my home state look bad, Toyo turd.
Number one, because the federal government will pay a larger percentage of it. And so it's maybe not our priority. We can build this thing today because we can get the money from defense.
Right turn lane dive.
No, I think it might be. I mean, sort of by saying I do want.
Really? Really, Toyota? Yeah, you move over here too, because why not? Nice cut off. It's a Toyota on Toyota crime right there. Red light run, red light run. Lexus ran the red light.
I'm just going off of what I've seen sociologists and psychologists writing about. Yeah. Even atheists who like are really not into the idea.
No U-turn.
For the most part, right now, it seems like there's a couple dum-dums. Sorry. We had a voicemail. We did, Dan. Yeah, this is a listener.
Exit regret.
Who is.
So we were skipping weeks and things like that.
Yeah.
But this has been not only 800 episodes. The first few we skipped here and there, but not only 800 episodes.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Seriously? Hello, Toyota.
To have been traumatized by abandonment and abuse. But if you are still waiting to find out if Daisy, the snuggling golden doodle, really means it, you will be pleased to know that the majority of dogs...
Red light run. You can't go there, Toyota. It doesn't work that way. It says no U-turn. You're trying to make a U-turn. Go back to well, that is the way back to Pennsylvania. Never mind. Yep, go there and get the hell out of here.
So here's the difference. With my parents, they saw the one world government.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Men hate hearing. So they've been seduced into believing that they are underdogs.
Missile left. Toyota.
He's looking back and went,
I don't have the degree, so Robertson, it's just like, yeah, it's a crocodile too. Yeah.
But life is like a hurricane. It seems unfair.
Man, that's no U-turn.
Are we relying on
Toyota?
No, actually.
No, Toyota turns in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because they just passed a brand new law that said no Toyota turns are allowed in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. I am not joking. I am not kidding around. I am not lying to you. It's a real law. Trust me. Because I would never, ever lie to you. Okay, you guys know this song's a joke, right? Well, anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!